Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Fireworks Mania. So I got something exciting for you guys. If you remember the other video with the cowboy, yeah, I like him. You know that guy? If you missed that video, I'm probably gonna put it down in the description and also on the end of the video. Probably just gonna put it down in the description if you want to see that. That is that video that video was about the Brothers collection number one. This is the Brothers collection. Yeah. Uh, what I just wanted to say is the Brother collection. Yeah. So this is the what he said. The Brothers collection. God. All right. Wow, that was weird. What I just wanted to say, yeah, as these guys already said, the Brothers collection number 2. There we go. So yeah, we got the Brothers collection number 2. Freaking exciting. MST probably worked really hard on this pack because look at how it looks. Oh, I love how it looks. Oh, it looks amazing. All the artworks on those things. I mean, it is HD. It is freaking readable. So amazing. Yeah, let's start with the bling bling. Let's first, of course, make it dark before. Here we go. We're gonna start with the bling bling. It's really midnight right now, so perfect. The bling bling. Here we go. Oh, it's really quiet. Ooh, okay. So it has multiple effects. Okay. Ooh. Whoa! What the hell? Oh, it's so good. Ah, Emerson, what are you doing to me? This is so good. Wow. That was bling bling. What's next? Next we got the bold colors. Look at that. Look at the artwork. Brothers Heavyweights. Here we go. Oh, it's 20 shots? Yeah. Amazing that it's readable. So good. Yes. Oh. It's so satisfying listening to these sounds. So good. Ooh, look at the bling. Bling or strobes, you call those? Definitely a slower pace cake. Ooh, there goes the finish. Nice. Beautiful. Next we got the current events, I think? Yeah. So the current events. I like that. Man, names. But you can see it's all the Brothers Heavyweights collection. 30 shots. Here we go. Jump over it. Oh. Every time. Also the explosion. Ooh, crackling. Yeah, this is a work. This is someone that's working. Or this is someone's work this is a perfectionist's work. You can see when this is crackling, so it's like switches over to crackling and just beautiful. I think mostly got on chrysanthemums, something like that. You can see it slowly dropping. He really likes those effects, but sometimes you need to see this guy. He sometimes live streams his work. It's amazing the amount of work goes into these cakes. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so subtle. You see that? You see those sparks slowly fading. He loves that effect. The drive-in, I really love the package. Oh, I love it. Sky high. 50 shots, so it's a lot of shots, and it's a fan shaped. So we're gonna see what happens here. It's probably gonna shoot. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. projectiles. It goes to white strobe. Oh, look at those trails. Oh, it's just without explosion. Nice. Ooh, nice green color. Oh, the crackling. Looks like the fireworks here is like out of focus. I don't know if it's just me, but... Oh, there goes the nice trails again. I wonder what the finish is going to be again. 60 shots. That was it? Yeah, there we go. Nice. So it wasn't a finish there, but very nice. Again, very subtle. Then we got the flood red. Also like that one, but this is definitely my favorite artwork. I really like that with the brothers in there. Really nice. Alright, the flood red. Here we go. That is 61 shots, so not 60, but just one more. One more. Here we go. Ooh, it's crackling trails or tills. Oh, that's so different. Oh, again, the sound when it comes out of the cake. Oh, with explosions. Oh, yes. This is gonna look amazing when we're gonna put them all together. That was it? Yeah. Yeah, that one is going really quickly. Oh, like that. It's really good for starting, like making a show. I was thinking about, like, what should I make, or what should I do, or what should I stream different. I always want to... Yeah, I don't know. I always get exciting playing this game. I don't know what it is. Probably because I like fireworks, I guess. Makes sense. Suspended animation. Oh, again, the artwork. Amazing. Just amazing. Morning shoots flaming balls. Balls. Yeah. Here we go. 25 shots. Ooh, a slower one. Really like the expansion or explosion. Yeah, this is good. Amazing. So different. And so many cakes in one pack. I don't know if there are actually rockets in the pack. Wow. Just the way they expand, so good. I don't know if there were actually rockets in the pack. No, this is from the Brothers Collection #1, by the way. Alright, so the next one was before we're gonna... Oh yeah, the high. Oh, here we go. I don't know why this is Neon Dreams. Do we... Oh no, oh yeah, I placed these ones on there. Yeah, alright. Let's move on. The high falutin. 49 shots. Here we go. Beautiful. 49 shots. Oh. You can see when the projectile comes up, because projectiles are already colored. You can see the color on the background of the reflecting on the smoke. It's so good. Oh, so good. Also, the smoke stays there for a while. Oh yes, the gold rain. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, we got a... Oh my god. That's a lot of crackling. Oh, that's so good. Beautiful. It's almost, you're getting hypnotized. So beautiful it is. Okay, I think is that one? Yeah, also, again, I love the artwork on it. This is, hit the road. Oh yeah, hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack. You know that one? Not gonna sing too long because YouTube is gonna get angry. You know how YouTube is. Here we go. Hit the road, Jack. Oh, I didn't see how many shots it was. It looks beautiful already. Also, again, also the different height makes it so realistic. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if it is actually existing fireworks. I wonder. Oh yes. Oh, and again with the crackling. Also the sparks slowly disappearing. Alright, we got the Magnificent Festival. I forgot this one. Oh, I did the suspension animation already. Oh well. We got 25 shots again. So cool. All the colors, beautiful. Magnificent Festival. 25 shots. Here we go. Yeah, we just crisscross a little here there, but okay. Oh. Ooh, look at the colors. Oh, also again. It's so nice with the delay in the explosion. Again, also the change in height. Wow. Oh, so good. It's so simple. Well, simple. They're just like those cheaper cakes, but you know the experience is just so good. Yeah, right. We got Neon Dreams. That's the last one we got, and that is 30 shots. Nice. And look at the fuse. You know those fuse covers you need to pull off. Yeah. Fuse protectors. Alright, here we go. The last one. Neon Dreams. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, look at the purple color. Wow. Crackling what? Red strobes in there. Now it's green strobes with purple in there. Red strobes. And green strobes. Yes. Amnesty, you love your crackling, don't you? Love your oh, look at the delay. Yes, alright. So we're gonna do, of course, all together. So let's cut the video. See you guys back. Oh, here we go. They're, of course, all instant. Obviously. You need to go all over together. I also put some space in between from some cakes, so it's gonna be a little more, you know, divided. Of course, we're gonna start with our explosion. Here we go. Yeah, there it goes. Hope that they're not gonna knock themselves over because I didn't glue them in place. So. Oh my god! Yes. Have fun. Yes. Oh my god. How did you guys actually like it? Okay, the Brothers Collection. Alright, the Brothers Collection. Alright, the Brothers Collection. Alright. Now get out of here. Alright. Alright, just a last overview of the whole pack. Yeah, I'm without a green screen because somehow OBS stopped recording. Really? I really didn't press any buttons. It just stopped recording exactly as I wanted to do a review. Or, you know, last review. What I just want to say is, this is still my favorite, my drive-in Sky High. Yeah, this is just the best one. Well, the best one. For the effects, I don't know. There's every cake is just perfect. You know, when MSC makes a pack, then it's just done. You know, it's perfect. Yeah, for the packaging, look at that. It's even readable. Well, not all of them. This is just readable. Only use only under close adult supervision. Yeah, you can just read that. That's amazing. Super cool. Yeah. And this is the Monopoly guy, I guess. Something like that. I'm literally just saying, I'm just literally repeating myself. You know, okay. And also, this is blood red, but did you actually get your like inspiration from bloodshed? I don't know. Suspicious. yeah. Just overall, it's beautiful, man. Especially with all the crackling. Almost every cake had a crackling, so that just makes a pack. You know, that really makes it a whole pack. I like that they are all somehow connected. You know, so yeah, awesome. I really love it. That's why working with computers frustrating. I know. Yeah, don't buy a PC. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.